My name is Matthias.
My name is Stefan.
And we own an engineering and design company called Auswall.
Our company is here in Tegernsee in Bavaria. I was a professional snowboarder.
Yeah, I love sports too. So we started with sports products, especially snowboard bindings.
And we switch over in the summer to bicycles, normal mountain bikes, and now a new bike, it's called the Skybike.
So you can fold it, put it in your backpack, hike up, then you unfold it and you go down similar to a mountain bike. And during winter time you can switch it into a snow skybike.
What makes us unique as a design company is to combine the design process and the technical engineering process and switch from one to the other. Sometimes you work a lot and your brain is full and you go out, you go swimming, you go skiing 1 hour, and so you have more ideas and you can work much better.
That's why we choose this area around here. You have a lake, you have the mountains, so we can try all the products here. Also, we can try our prototypes, and people love to come here to visit us, our clients.
We have 3 disciplines: design, engineering and ergonomics, so it's more complex.
And we often get only a sheet of paper of an idea, and we have to make a product out of it.
So most time we start with research. So we ask stupid questions to the client. Yeah.
They think about for years always the same problems, and we come from another way of thinking.
For us, SOLIDWORKS can be used during the whole product development process. So this allows us to recognize a needed change in one discipline. You immediately can recognize the effects on the design or on the ergonomic, and you can react. So your product will finally look like your basic idea, and that's very important.
I started with 2D software, and so we have real problems to realize the designs. Matthias came and showed me SOLIDWORKS.
So in the end we decided to work with SOLIDWORKS.
At the beginning the most important feature was the parametric modeling, that you can create designs without dimensions and afterwards you make it more precise step by step.
And especially for snowboard bindings, they have lots of free-form shapes, so to fit the human body you only can describe them with the help of a 3D program. The photo view 360, it's very important for the client to have a realistic rendering of the product.
And very often the marketing department is making the decisions and they need pictures. With Skybike, SOLIDWORKS was really good because here you hike up with the bicycle on your backpack, so you need a very small size. You can simulate it in the computer, you can optimize the size, you have to optimize the weight and the strength of the whole bike. So it's a complete lightweight design. You can switch over to the simulation, go back to the product, you know where it's weak.
SOLIDWORKS was the perfect tool to do it. Our goal for Auswall is to still have fun during our work. Okay, it's a job, we have to earn money for our families, but we love it.